Hey there, my name is Roland. I'm from YouTube, and today's video I'm going to show you how to fill out the description of your videos automatically so that it's already filled out for you and you don't have to keep typing in the same thing over and over. Alright, so we're here in my YouTube account. We're going to go to the YouTube Studio. So once you're here inside your YouTube Studio, you want to go to the left here and click on Settings. And over here you'll see Upload Defaults. Click on that. Now what that means, this is where you can add text to your description, your title, whatever, that will always show up in the descriptions of every video you edit. Every video you upload from now on, it'll show up in the description so that you don't have to keep adding it to all your descriptions. Now titles you don't really want to do because your title for every video is going to be different, so you don't have to worry about that. We're just talking about down here under description. As you can see, I already have, or I'll scroll down a bit. As you can see, I already have some information that is always uploaded to a new video automatically. Well, I'm going to change some of that right now so that you can see. Right here I have subscribed to this channel, and I have the link that people can just click on and subscribe to the channel, and I have about this video and some other things here. So I'm going to go over here to, I think it was this video. I want to copy some of this and move it over to my upload defaults. So I'm going to click here, or highlight this, and I'm going to right click and copy this, and I'm going to move it over to here. I want to put it at the beginning of this description box, the text, and I'll put a link here for whatever I want. So I grab the link and I'm going to paste it into here. Then I'm going to scroll down here, and I have subscribed to this channel. I want to put something in the middle here, so I'm just going to hit enter a couple of times. I'll show you real quick. Leave some spaces. So I'm going to go back here and I want to add this text right here, all this right here. And I'm going to right click and copy, and I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to right click and paste. Now here you can see I did most of it, and I already have other text in here that I like in here. If you scroll down here, thank you for watching this video. Feel free to leave your questions or comments below. I am happy to help. And then I sort of put my signature there, and then to replay this video I always put a link to the video I'm editing or the video that I'm publishing at that moment. I put it down here at the end of every description. It just helps with backlinking. So I'll click here, I'll go here and I'll click save, and we'll go back to settings, and we'll go back to our upload defaults, and you can see it's all been saved. All that text I put in here is saved. Close that out. Now whenever I upload a video, right here in the description, down here in the description, that text will all be here. Now in this video here, it's not yet because I already had this video uploaded before I'm making this video to show you how to do it. So I'll have to just go grab all that information and paste it down below in here. So again, I hope that makes sense to you. All you're doing is shortening your time spent on editing your description in your videos, adding all this text, whatever text you want on every video, just eliminating for having to do that for every video. It just makes your video editing that much quicker. Hey, if this information helped you, leave me a comment below. Let me know that it helped you. Hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. With that, have a great day.